Just like to say from the two of us, how proud we are of all of you and how amazing you're all doing under extreme circumstances.
Prince William and Kate Middleton are reaching out to those fighting the coronavirus on the front lines. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge phoned staff members at Queen's Hospital Burton in Staffordshire this week, days after a 55-year-old consultant at the facility reportedly passed away from COVID-19 complications. William shared gratitude on behalf of him and Kate, thanking the medical team for their tireless effort responding to the outbreak.
Now, I know all of you, you see this as your job and you get on with it, but generally this is a different level, and you guys are doing an incredible job, and the whole country is proud of you, not just us. We really mean that. So thank you for everything you're doing and all the hours you guys are putting in.
The Royals also phoned University Hospital Monklands in Scotland and revealed on Instagram that the NHS workers, including doctors and nurses, informed them about not only the support they've received throughout their communities, but also how they're helping each other as the crisis impacts their personal and professional lives. William and Kate aren't the only ones sharing a heartfelt message to healthcare employees. Who can forget the couple's 3 children giving a round of applause so irresistible we can't help but join in? As of Thursday, coronavirus cases in the UK topped 33,000. On April 1st, the nation's death toll saw its highest 24-hour increase since the pandemic began, rising by 569 to nearly 3,000 total fatalities. William's father, Prince Charles, is feeling better more than a week after testing positive for the illness and delivered a public message about his experience while stressing the importance to maintain isolation guidelines.
Having recently gone through the process of contracting this coronavirus, luckily with relatively mild symptoms, I now find myself on the other side of the illness, but still in no less a state of social distance and general isolation. As we're all learning, this is a strange, frustrating and often distressing experience when the presence of family and friends is no longer possible and the normal structures of life are suddenly removed. At such an unprecedented and anxious time in all our lives, my wife and I are thinking particularly of all those who have lost their loved ones in such very difficult and abnormal circumstances, and of those having to endure sickness, isolation and loneliness. As patron of Age UK and my wife the patron of Silverline, our hearts go out to all those older people throughout this country who are now experiencing great difficulty. However, we also know that in every community up and down this land, where people of all ages are being affected by this virus, there are truly wonderful neighbours, individuals and groups of volunteers who are providing ceaseless care and attention to those most at risk, and that all this network of selfless assistance is in itself helping to provide vital support and reassurance to the hard-pressed professional services.